What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. This is the more part of my channel. Here where I'll step out the kitchen from time to time, do a little Ddins dad hack or a DIY or something that helped benefit me. Hopefully it'll benefit you. Without wasting time, let's get to the agenda.
Are your children playing in the window again? Or are your cats? Is this what your blinds look like currently? No worries, we're going to fix that. For all I know, I came up with this hack. I've seen no other hack like this on the net. Now, let's see this from another point of view. I'm not gonna lie, it looked like it hurts. It looked like no one cares. It can say a lot, but you know what? Let's quit talking and get this fixed. But remember, you have to start off with a brand new pack of blinds. So, we got our pack of blinds. You're gonna need a pair of scissors, a flathead, and a pen or a magic marker. Now at the bottom of your old blinds that you're gonna replace, there are gonna be these knobs. You're going to take your flathead and you're going to take them off. And then you're going to see this knot right here. Cut that off. Then you're going to pull the blinds from the top and you're going to pull the rope from the blades and you're going to pull the blades from the strings and you're going to have a handful of blades like this. Okay. Now we're going to take our marker and we're going to mark the damaged blades that we're going to cut off. These blinds are so pathetic. Okay. Oh, real quick. See these little slots right here? This is what you're going to be using your scissors to cut. Make sure you cut the slots, okay? All right. Quick facts.
Should I budget from window treatments? According to Home Advisor, the average homeowner pays between $93 and $403 per window for blinds, curtains, and etc. Including installation, regardless of how simple or complex your window treatments will be, doing the installation yourself can save you thousands of dollars. Now imagine doing this life hack that'll save you even more money. Enjoy. Okay.
Pretty cool. Alright, so now we're going to get to working. We're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut the damaged blades. Now these blinds were already damaged. I asked my sons to help me out more. But they didn't have to do me like this. It's okay. Let's get back to it. Now you're going to be wondering, how am I putting these blades in? Well, if you look at the arrows on both ends of the blinds here, they're going to be these ropes. That's where you're going to insert your blades into. You're going to follow it all the way across, and you want to make sure that you put your blinds in front of the thick rope. You'll know what I mean. And here we have it. Let's turn off the lights to make sure that there's no gaps or anything in the blinds. And this is just a temporary fix. And if you want it to be a permanent, just make sure you have blinds or blades. I've been doing this for the past 2 years and I didn't have to buy a brand new pack of blinds until a month ago. And this is what the outside looks like. It looks together, it looks uniform, and no one looks sad. Well people, I hope that this video did benefit you like it did benefit me. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell on the bottom right and give me a thumbs up. The video on my right is the most previous video that I came out with, and the video on the left is what YouTube thinks you should watch. Until next time, family, peace.